Introducing the TRDWH003 from Tera. A device to help you lift heavy water jugs without straining your hands and body. Improved upon the design of the older generation, the TRDWH003 now reduces stress on wrists. It can fit a magnitude of different jug sizes, from 2 to 6 gallons. The easy-to-grip handle allows 2 options. Option 1, open grip for single person carrying. And option 2, open the handle and flip upside down for 2-person carrying.
You can find this by searching
TRDWH003
on Amazon.com.